Well, hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Maddie. I'm back with another video, you guys. You know your girl is so into face masks nowadays, it's pathetic. So you know I'm here with a anti-aging Spascription mask that I purchased from my local Family Dollar store. So guys, you know, in order to get that mask to penetrate well into your skin so you can get some great results from it, you need to start off by deep cleaning your skin real well. And this is what I'm doing here right now. I'm cleaning my skin real good, making sure that it is well deep cleaned and exfoliated with this spin brush. And so for the next tip, you need to exfoliate your skin well. So I'm taking this powder form OZ Natural Ancient Bamboo Dermapolic B5 Lactic Acid Green Tea Powder. And you make it into a paste by either using some water, but I'm using rose water. And you make sure that you rub it into the skin approximately for about 20 seconds. And do not apply too much pressure, because you see where I speeded up the video, but it's lightly done. So after your 20 seconds is up, leave it on the skin for about 2 minutes and then rinse. So now I'm taking my Spascription Anti-Aging Gel Face Mask with grapefruit collagen to restore and renew and revive the skin. And this anti-aging gel face mask is a powerful facial treatment designed to improve the health and the appearance of your skin. Its formulated contains collagen, protein, and essential fatty acids. The ingredients also help to revive the skin elasticity and minimize the appearances of fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet. It also helps to lift, firm, and tone your skin. As for the grapefruit in it, it helps to fade age spots and increase skin luminosity. So the mask is on now, so I'm letting it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes as instructed. And for best results, also you can leave it on a little bit longer if you're not allergic to it. So yeah guys, so now I've rinsed the mask and I'm pat and drying my face, and we're gonna go on to the next step. And so now I'm gonna take my Magic Collection Rose Water Hydrated Mist to moisturize my face as well. And then I'm gonna take The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% B5 and my Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion Lightweight Hydration for everyday use, which is fragrance free, and mix those two together and apply it to my skin to moisturize my face after all of the other steps that I took. So here I'm applying the moisture mix to my face to moisturize my skin. And also make sure that you moisturize your neck as well, because your face and neck go hand in hand. So you got to make sure you take care of that neck and the shoulders and all of that together. But I'm just sharing here on camera, just me doing my neck and face. And by the way guys, don't forget to apply your lip moisturizer. You can also do a lip scrub first and then apply your lip moisturizer. And so for my next step, I like to do face massages. So here I'm massaging my face and my neck, and it is one of my favorites that I do each night before I go to bed after doing my skincare regimen and my routine, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, make sure you do some face massages. So here you guys, I am done with this mask. And later on, I will come back and do a review on this mask and let you guys know what I feel about it. And yes, until next time, you guys, I will see all of you in my next video. Bye, guys.